Hello, welcome to Stampin' by Hannah. Thank you for joining me today. I am an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and I'm so pleased you've joined me on Make It Monday. This week I have this cute little self-closing bag for you. It was totally inspired by my sister-in-law's birthday gift to me. She's just started with Body Shop at home, so I got loads of gorgeous Body Shop goodies. And one of the things in her parcel to me was this gorgeous hand cream, and it smells amazing. Slightly in love with it, but I thought it was a really cute little size as a kind of a cute little thank you gift for a teacher or a neighbour or somebody that's done something really nice. So I've made this cute little bag for it. So, shall we get started? I'm saying so a lot today, I don't know. This is the second time I filmed this because the first time I got it wrong. I'm going to share that with you. Oh, this one uses the Just Add Colour Designer Series paper, and I have sponged the bottom in rose red. The one I have got today is slightly cheating. I have got a piece of the Colour Theory Designer Series paper, and this is Berry Burst rather than rose red. But it's already pre-ombre, so I don't have to get my sponges out and get inky fingers, which is lovely. So I grabbed my Simply Scored scoring tool and my the actual stylus. The stylus has two ends. It has a thin end and a fat end. And we're going to use the fat ball on designer scissors paper. It's just my personal preference more than anything else. We're going to score with the short side at the top at 2 inches and 4 inches, which is 5 and 10 centimetres. We're going to turn it around so that the kind of side that's going to be your base, so that's the darker end for me, is on that side. So this is the base. We're going to score it 1 inch. We're going to turn it so that it's so that's now at the top, and we're going to score it 1.5 just down to that first score line, and 3.5 just down to that first score line. And that is it. So I'm just going to fold and burnish on all 4 sides. So, oh, did you have a nice weekend? That's a nice question for a Monday, isn't it? Yeah, been filming these ahead of time, so I have no idea what I've done the weekend that you've just had. Not a clue. I actually filmed 2 videos to go live on a Monday. The first one is this one that you're currently watching, but the other is in my newsletter. And I do an exclusive video tutorial, or sometimes a PDF download of something if I don't get time to film. And I do that for my subscribers every week, so every Monday they get 2 videos. If you want to subscribe to my newsletter, the link is in the down bar below. So we're going to do a bit of trimming and cutting. So we've got these 4 boxes along the bottom. I'm going to chop off this skinny bit here. We'll chop up each one of these little lines. So you'll have 4 proper looking squares. And that's all we did those score lines we haven't folded for was to give us exactly where we need to cut. Like so. And then it's so simple. We'll take some fast fuse, we're going to pop it along that skinny edge, and we're going to go completely over onto our actual designer scissors paper that we didn't want to do. So we're just going to pull it back with your finger. You do that quickly with fast fuse, it is doable. And we're going to just fold that piece over like that. So we've now got what is effectively is a tube. I've made a complete hash of that. So if you decide, so that's going to be the back, so we need to push that out. I'm going to fold in our 4 squares, fast fuse on the last one, and you will already see that is closed. Isn't this cool? So if you push the 2 ends together, you can slide your goodie in. This one I did hole punch and I've tied it up together with ribbon, but it's not necessary at all. I have taken the All Things Thanks stamp set. I love this. My gorgeous team leader sent me this, and I've got to admit I would never have bought it, but I make so many thank you cards and presents for people that it's really handy, and it's got some really good thank yous in it, and the fonts are gorgeous. So I have already stamped and heat embossed this "Thanks for that thing you did" in Whisper White. I'm going to take the Everyday Label Punch. This is in, actually you won't find this probably in a catalogue at the moment. It was in the autumn winter. It has carried over. You will find it on the website. And I'm so glad it's carried over because I absolutely love it. I'm going to line that up, stop, bang in the middle of there. And I'm going to add this one on the front of my bag with a couple of Stampin' Dimensionals. So turn that over, those straight down the middle. Just like that. Isn't that so cute? Two totally different looking bags actually. Exactly the same. Absolutely exactly the same. Two totally different pinks too. So thank you ever so much for watching. As always, anything you've seen in my videos or over on my blog can be found in the down bar on my online shop. A link to that is in the down bar below. Or you can find it via my blog, which is stampinbyhannah.co.uk. I would love to see you again really, really soon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.